warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first.
My name is Atinado Secretary, number 2.
My name is Alisa Fidelia, number 7.
My name is Lisa, number 17. Here we will make a video about how to use Excel on laptop.
Search and open the Excel application. Select the cell used to place the formula. Type equal sign. Formulas in Excel always start with equal sign. Type the name of the formula. Then, from the cell from which the data is taken, click cell B2 to F2 as an example of attitude or sum, average, max, mean, and count. After that, click on the bottom right and press and drag down to find out the result. Do the same with the other. Press enter on the keyboard. The result will appear. After everything finished, then save the data.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.